Hello, my name is Ruth Estrella. This is listening to Activity 1.3, Unit 3 about success. Thomas Alva Edison is an admirable and ingenious American inventor. He teaches us to rethink our attitude for life. He tried and retried his invention, the light bulb, for 9,000 times before he managed to make it work. I'm sure that he was uncertain about the result, even though he had an objective and worked hard to turn it true. Probably he was hopeless and insecure more than once, but he made the attempt and returned to work. He continued and repeated the experiment over and over. He never abandoned it or stayed inactive. He never considered it impossible. I can imagine Edison enclosed in his laboratory, saying in passion if the bulb is going to work this time. Once every occasion, he was optimistic but also realistic, learning and discovering new stuff from their failures. Sounds incredible, but he tried 8,999 times before the bulb worked. He redo it, rethought about what could be misplaced, changed methods, replace and repair parts, and then turned on the switch to find out that it didn't work again, until one unexpected day that his first successful test worked for 13 and a half hours in his Menlo Park laboratory. Then he said, "We will make electricity so cheap that only the rich will burn candles." This event initiated a new unbelievable era for the human race, the era of massive use of electricity, the era of having light at night, and then the days became longer. He also had the fight with some unfriendly people around him. Many persons told him crazy, but he continued studying and applying his knowledge until he invented what he wanted. All the experience and knowledge that he obtained from his failures helped him to develop many other devices, like the motion picture camera, a battery for an electric car, an X-ray machine, and many others. He holds 1,093 U.S. patents in his name. To me, and in conclusion, if someone wants to be good doing something, he has to work bravely, cleverly, and be insistent and dedicated. Not only the finish line is important, the way you choose to get there is important too. How you get to the top and to your dreams matters. And you might consider the way you are going to walk to do it. In my personal life, I think that attitude is what has count. Everybody has problems and everybody fails, but how do you react when something happens affects the result? If you are positive, optimistic, and you work hard, you have more probabilities to obtain what you want. If you have the desire to do something, you have the 50% of the road behind you, and everything will be easier because you truly want it. Of course, that some things depend on the circumstances and the people around you. By my own experience is that people is good and is willing to help you if you know how to ask. On the other hand, not always your dreams will turn true, and then you have to enjoy the honest effort you've done to accept the reality. I do not believe in fairy tales. I know that life is wonderful, and sooner or later you'll harvest what you plant. Life goes ahead. Nothing has to be done important to make you unhappy forever. The sun will rise tomorrow anyway, so enjoy the light and the warmth every day. Okay, that's just my personal opinion. See you. Bye. Thank you.